the Ducati DesertX, an engineering marvel that's seen its fair share of adventures. Today, we'll guide it, and you, through a meticulous restoration journey. First, we witness layers of accumulated dirt and memories from past rides. It's not merely about aesthetics. This thick layer can hinder the motorcycle's performance and longevity. Our first step is a gentle rinse. This initial wash removes the loose mud and grime, preventing scratches during the deeper cleaning phase. Water serves as our preliminary filter, prepping the bike's surface for what's next. Enter the DesertX's motorcycle cleaner. A generous coating ensures every inch gets the attention it deserves. This cleaner acts as a magnet, drawing out stubborn dirt and ensuring a deeper cleanse. With our trusty sponge, we now embark on a tactile exploration, feeling our way around the bike. The sponge's softness ensures a thorough cleanse without the risk of micro scratches, preserving the motorcycle's paintwork. Another round of water. It's essential to ensure no residue remains, preparing the surface for detailed work. Now, armed with a soft cleaning brush boasting split fibers, we tackle more stubborn areas. These split fibers, gentle yet effective, reach into crevices where ordinary sponges falter, lifting away dirt without scratching the surface. With the DesertX's Velgen and Kettingreiniger, we delve into the rim's intricacies. Using the DesertX's Velgenborstel, watch as the grime gives way, revealing the gleaming rims beneath. Cleaning solutions intended for chains and rims ensure deep cleaning, but also means we must promptly rinse the bike again. A swift wash ensures the relatively high acid grade doesn't linger, preserving the integrity of the motorcycle's materials and finish. Now, to the bike's pulse, its chain. Chains, if neglected, can lead to compromised performance. When selecting a tool for the chain, it's crucial to choose one that can access every intricate part, ensuring thorough cleaning. After the cleaning, do not forget to re-lube your chain. As we explained earlier in our journey, after giving specialized attention to parts like the rims and chains, we always follow up with a rinse, setting the stage for what's next, which in this case will be the exhaust. For more accessible cleaning, we'll first uninstall the belly pan. After that, we can start by applying our exhaust cleaning paste to our designated sponge to lay the groundwork. Now comes the part that demands elbow grease, the scrubbing. The effort you put into this step directly translates to the result. The more dedicated the scrub, the more remarkable the gleam on those exhaust pipes. After our meticulous rinse, ensuring all cleaning agents are washed away, it's time to attend to drying. For this essential step, we reach for our specialized cloth, the PU Poet's Doek. With its superior absorbency, it leaves the Ducati DesertX gleaming and streak-free. Once the bike is dried to perfection, it's time to elevate its shine. A simple spray application, gently sprayed on and then rubbed in, it leaves behind a subtle yet protective layer, enhancing the motorcycle's luster and shielding it from the elements. The Ducati DesertX is not just cleaned, it's transformed. There, you have it. From a relic of past adventures to a beacon of brilliance, this process is more than cleaning. It's a lesson in care, preservation, and respect for one's ride. Until next time, ride safe and keep it clean.